I've been waiting to do this for a real long time. Super excited about today. We're going to do some backcountry fishing, and hopefully we're going to get on some snook and some tarp, and we'll see what happens. So let's go check it out. Let's go get her done. There we go. He's not huge, but he's a start. Kind of freaked me out a little bit. It's a little quiet. I was looking at some mullet. Nice little snook to get us going. Oh, there's gonna get skunked in this spot. There we go. Check him out. There you go. Nice little snook to start the day. Kind of feisty, right? See you, buddy.